Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Want to use your PlayStation 4 controller on your PC? You absolutely can, and this guide shows you the definitive, single best way to do it wirelessly in 2025. Forget tricky setups. This method ensures smooth, responsive gameplay. You'll enjoy all your favorite PC titles with the familiar comfort and precision of your DualShock 4. Get ready to game. Getting connected is simpler than you might think, requiring just a couple of core items. Of course, you'll need your trusty PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller charged and ready. The other crucial component is Bluetooth capability on your PC. If your desktop or laptop doesn't have it built in, a reliable Bluetooth 5.0 USB adapter works perfectly. This tiny device ensures a stable, lag-free wireless link for your gaming sessions. Here's the secret sauce: DS4 Windows. This free, open-source application is the cornerstone of connecting your DualShock 4 to your PC wirelessly in 2025. It cleverly tricks your computer into thinking your PS4 controller is an Xbox One, which most PC games natively support. Make sure to download it directly from the official DS4 Windows GitHub page for the safest and most up-to-date version. This software makes everything work effortlessly. Now let's get your controller paired. Start by putting your DualShock 4 into Bluetooth pairing mode. Just hold down the PS button and the share button together until the light bar flashes rapidly. Then, go into your PC's Bluetooth settings and add a new device, selecting your wireless controller. Once paired, simply open DS4 Windows and it should automatically detect your controller. You are now ready to jump into your favorite games. To truly maximize your gaming experience, take a moment to calibrate your joysticks and triggers within DS4 Windows. This ensures pinpoint accuracy in every game. You can also dive into creating custom profiles for specific titles, allowing you to remap buttons or fine-tune sensitivity to your exact preferences. With your DualShock 4 now seamlessly integrated, you're all set to enjoy countless hours of comfortable, precise PC gaming. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.